Morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning. I'm already here at the salon. It's super early. It's like after 6, a little bit after 6. So I'm here. I already started. I'm mopping the floors, going through all the floors. I already cleaned the bathroom. I had a daily rental in the front. I already cleaned that room. I'm just going over it now, cleaning the sinks and stuff like that. I already mopped it out. So as you can tell, I'm mopping the hallways right here. Once I get that done, I'm gonna come back and start doing the glass, like the front glass kiosk and the glass inside the daily rental. But yeah, that's where we're at. We cleaning the salon this morning, guys. I didn't come here yesterday. On Mondays they're normally not here, so it's not normally dirty. This morning when I got in, it wasn't even dirty. Just minimally here on the floor, but it wasn't that dirty. Bathrooms was still good. It could have gone another day, but I still went through and clean it up, change the garbage, put new garbage bags in. So stay tuned, guys. I'm here. I'm getting this little job here done. Once I get this done, I'm gonna head back over and see what we could do in terms of see where we're at with the Peppaz project. We pretty much turned in the paperwork, so I'm just gonna confirm with the contractor, just to make sure everything is in, because I want it to go over by the city just to make sure they received it, find out who's working on it, who's the person who's looking it over, stuff like that. That way I could back and forth with them if they need any changes, because if we send it in there and it just sits there, no one is gonna, it's just gonna sit there. So you have to follow up with the people at the county. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna finish up this quick before our tenants come in, and then head to the next move. All right, Medea. Let's see, the sun is just coming out. Super early. It's kind of overcast this morning, but no sun coming out this morning. But yeah, that's where we're at. I'm done mopping, so I'm just gonna use the Windex, clean the glass, all the glass in the front and the glass in the rental room. So yeah, that would be it. I'm gonna clean the glass on the washing machine, the glass in the bathroom. So all the glass that's in the public areas, I'm gonna clean them real quick. It's not much. The glass is already clean. It's just where they touch the door, like where the doors are, you're gonna have fingerprints on them. So I'm gonna clean that section of the hallway, anywhere that has glass, in the common areas. So yeah, and then the what do you call it, the rental room, the mirrors in there, you got splash marks on it. When they braid inside there, whatever they put under here, it splashes all over. So it's not stained or anything like that. Once you use a damp cloth, it'll wipe it off. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use, I got some cloth over here, some cloth cutlets, or whatever you call it. I'm gonna use that and clean. I got this one. I'm gonna use this one with a little bit of soap water and clean it. So give me a few, guys. I'm gonna get that done and then we should be out of here. Alright, guys, so I'm done with the salon, done cleaning everything, changed the codes in the daily rental, got everything cleaned. There's a room that we were gonna, that's available, but it's cleaned, it's ready to go, it's painted, the one you saw me doing in the video the other day, patching the holes and painting the walls. The baseboard, I just inspected the baseboard. I think I'm gonna paint those baseboard. It's it's kind of scuffed up. I want to paint it, make it look nice and fresh again. So I'm gonna take care of that maybe tonight or tomorrow. As far as the baseboards, the rental room is ready to go, so that, you know, once somebody book it, that's good to go. I always have it ready at all times, so once someone finishes with it, I clean it immediately the next morning. That way, if we get a last minute rental, it's already clean. I don't have to be rushing to come here. So that already taken care of. So salon is set, good to go. So now I'm gonna reach out to our contractor. I'm gonna shoot him a text or give him a call and then see if he had turned in the plans for review. So just a quick update. Peppaz project, that's the restaurant. I submitted the plans. So this is where we're at with it. So the county signed off on the building plans, right? The health department signed off on the plans. So now the city has to sign off on those plans. So that part of it, I can't do it. The contractor has to submit it. So he should have submitted, you know, as of the time I'm making this video. He should have submitted it. So I'm just gonna confirm with him. That way I could go over there and just speak to someone and see if they could expedite it for us, because it's, you know, it's been a while, guys. It's been like 4 months now. We're coming up on 5 months. Next month will be 5 months. So I'm trying to, you know, go through this process. That way we could get our building permit and start doing what we gotta do. So stay tuned, guys. We're working on the Peppaz project. It just takes time. It's beyond my control. It's not like I could just start building. You know what I'm saying? I have to wait on the counties and the cities and the health department. They have to approve everything before we even dig the dirt, right? So let me get a hold of the contractor today, and then we'll see where we're at with it, and then I'll probably visit the city later on today or maybe tomorrow, depending on if he got everything submitted. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna head back to the house. I got some videos to edit. I have some footages on this camera to upload and edit, so I'm gonna go over and get those started. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, so we in Lowe's. I'm trying to find a file, a knife file. I think I'm gonna take this one, but all the knives are getting dull, guys. Knives in the kitchen, a pocket knife, they're all getting dull. So I'd rather buy a new knife or sharpen them. So I'm gonna try sharpen them. Sometimes they just need a little bit of, you know, sharpening. Not they're not dull, but you just gotta brush them a little bit, like give them a small sharpening, yeah? So anyway, I'm gonna grab this real quick and then head out. Alright, guys, so I stopped by the project just to show you what's going on. So we still haven't done anything pretty much. We got, you know, some equipment in, fryers, you know, sinks, single tier sink, mop sink, you know, 3-tier sink, hand wash sink up here, fryers. This is the hood, the exhaust hood that's gonna go up there. So we got those in. I have a couple of tables over here. We have our char broiler, the grill. We got a few fridge. These fridge are some used fridge. I don't know if I'm gonna use them yet. Got one back there. I don't know if we're gonna use them, but I just rest them over here. I got a merchandise fridge right there, a warmer. This warmer I might clean it up and use it, but the rest of the stuff I might not. We're gonna get new refrigerators. I have another grill right here as well. These grills are brand new grill. I have a table. So, you know, we had gotten 2 hood system in. We only need 1. They had made a mistake and sent this one out. So now this is the one we're gonna use, the longer one. Yeah. So that short one, the hood guy is gonna take it back. So yeah, this is what we're waiting on the permit. You know, we're gonna be digging the floors. He's gonna be digging all the floors to put the plumbing in, run all the plumbing in the ceiling, stuff like that. He's gonna have to dig that area, grass area, that's where the grease trap is gonna go on right there, and then they're gonna bring it inside, cut and come inside. So it's you know, it's pretty much a process. There's a lot of cutting they're gonna have to do in here. They're gonna have to cut the floors to run the plumbing, the drainage, so it could go back into the grease trap. We're adding a bathroom over there, so he's gonna have to cut over here as well. He's gonna cut to tie the other toilet and face basin hand wash into the existing plumbing. There's a bathroom right here already behind this door, but he's gonna put another bathroom right here and then tie the plumbing into the other one. So it's quite a bit of digging, guys. They're gonna have to dig a lot of stuff in here. As I said, we can't do any digging until we get our building permit. So that's what we're waiting on now. We're waiting on Swanee to give us that permit so we could start digging. This whole process when building a restaurant, there's no way around it. The cities and the counties, all the different municipalities, they take time to sort all this out. You know, you're gonna have to back and forth with your architect, you know, and then they're gonna look at the plans and tell you to make changes and corrections. And once you get all of that done, they're gonna have to do a review and, you know, issue a building permit. Then you could start digging. So that's the process. It's just a process that everyone has to go through when building. Because it's a restaurant, it's a little bit more. The process is a little bit more. The vape shop that's over there, that vape shop, they didn't have to go through that much, you know, because they're not building kitchens. They're just building a space with you know, shelves and cabinets and stuff like that. So they don't have to go through a lot. There's another space right here, which is a restaurant. That space is gonna be a restaurant space, so it's the same thing. They're gonna have to go through all that, you know, that plans and build out, and, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna have to do all of that. So it's just a process where anyone who's building a restaurant from scratch has to go through. It's frustrating, but you know, if they had given us the permit from the time we turned in the plans, we would have been done building already. It's been 4 months, 5 months. A build out like this is gonna probably take us, we could probably get it done in like 2 months, 3 months the most, if we have all the permits. If we don't have the permits and all of that, then it takes time. So yeah, this is where they're gonna put the grease trap, right here, in this dirt area, this area. So yeah, so yeah, guys, so that's the Peppaz project. There's a vape shop. They got their sign up and everything. It's you know, they're pretty much in good shape. They could open, they got their open sign up and everything, hours of operations. They're good to go. As I said, I was over there. I know the contractors. They're the same contractors who are gonna help me out over here. But they got it done pretty fast because they don't have a lot of stuff to back and forth with the county over. Their plans is like 2 sheets. My plans is like 20 sheets. You know what I'm saying? So it's a lot of electrical, plumbing, you know. My plans is way more complicated. You know, the fryers, the grease trap, the hood system, every section has to be inspected. And you know, the health department has to inspect. With a business like that, they don't need no health department inspection or anything like that. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. I just passed through just to check on it, just to make sure everything is good. We ain't got no issues over here. I'm gonna head over to the house now. I'm gonna email let me text the contractor real quick, see if everything is good on his end. Yeah. All right, guys. So stay tuned. I'm gonna head over to the house real quick. All right.